Emma, you will never guess what I just heard. I have some amazing news about our friend Chloe.
Ooh, good news. I love good news. Please tell me, what has happened?
I just got off the phone with her. She told me that she got the big promotion at her job that she was hoping for. She is now the new senior project manager.
She got a promotion? That is the best news I have heard all week. I am so incredibly happy and proud of her. She has worked so hard for this.
I know she really deserves it. She is so talented and dedicated. I was so excited when she told me. I think we should do something special to celebrate her success.
I was thinking the exact same thing. A promotion like this is a huge achievement. We cannot let it pass without a proper celebration. We need to honor our friend.
So, what should we do? We could just take her out for a nice dinner next week, the three of us.
A nice dinner is a good idea, but I feel like this news deserves something bigger, something more memorable. I think we should plan a surprise for her.
A surprise. I love that idea. Chloe loves surprises. It would be so much fun to see the look on her face. What kind of surprise are you thinking of?
Well, we have a few options. We could plan a surprise dinner, but with all of her closest friends, not just us. Or we could be very adventurous and organize a surprise weekend trip for her.
A surprise weekend trip sounds amazing, but it might be very difficult to organize. We would have to make sure everyone is free and that Chloe has no other plans.
You are right. A trip is probably too complicated to keep secret. I think the best and most classic surprise is a surprise party.
A surprise party. That is the perfect idea. It is fun, it is celebratory, and we can invite lots of people to share in her happiness. Let's do that.
I am so glad you agree. Now we just need to plan the perfect surprise party. There are a lot of details to organize to make it a success.
The first and most important detail is the location. Where should we have the party? My apartment is a little bit too small to host a lot of people.
My new apartment has a much bigger living room. I would be very happy to host the party at my place. I have been looking for a good reason to have my first big gathering.
That is so generous of you, Emma. Your apartment is beautiful, and it would be the perfect location. So when should we have the party?
Her promotion is effective from next Monday, so I think we should have the party next Saturday evening. It gives us a full week to plan everything in secret.
A surprise party at your apartment next Saturday evening. It is a plan. Now we need to think about the guest list. Who should we invite?
We should definitely invite all of her closest friends. I think we should try to create a list of about 15 to 20 people. That is a good number for a party in my apartment.
Okay, let's make a list. We should invite her friends from our old university group, like Maria and Tom, and we should invite her colleagues from work who she is close to.
Good idea. I know she is good friends with her colleagues Sophie and Ben. We must invite them. And we should also invite her friend from her yoga class, Laura.
This is a great list. Now, how do we invite everyone without Chloe finding out? We cannot just send a normal invitation.
I have an idea. I will create a secret group chat on a messaging app. I will add everyone from our list. We can use that chat to send the invitation and to coordinate all the secret details.
A secret group chat is a brilliant idea. That will make communication so much easier. You are a very good party planner, Emma.
I try my best. Now, what about the most important part of any party? The food and drinks.
We should keep it simple. We do not need to cook a fancy three-course meal. I think easy party food is the best option.
I agree completely. I think we should just order a few large pizzas. Everyone loves pizza, and it is the easiest party food in the world. We can get a mix of different toppings.
Perfect. And for snacks, we can just get some big bowls of potato chips, some pretzels, and maybe some nuts. And for dessert?
For dessert, I would be very happy to bake my famous double chocolate fudge cake. I know it is Chloe's favorite. It can be our special congratulations cake.
Your chocolate cake. That is the best cake in the entire world. Chloe is going to be so happy. The food plan is perfect. Pizza, snacks, and your amazing cake. Now we just need to think about decorations. A party is not a party without some decorations to make the place look festive.
You are right. We should definitely decorate your apartment to make it feel like a real celebration when she walks in. What kind of theme should we have?
I think a simple and elegant theme would be best. We could do a congratulations theme with a color scheme of gold, silver, and white.
Gold and silver. I love that. It sounds very celebratory and glamorous. We can get some balloons in those colors and maybe a big banner that says, "Congratulations, Chloe."
A big banner is a must-have. We can hang it on the main wall in the living room. We could also get some confetti to sprinkle on the tables and some nice festive napkins.
Gold and silver balloons, a big banner, and some confetti. Our decoration plan is simple but effective. It will look great.
It will. Now, we should also think about a gift for Chloe. What do you think we should get her to celebrate her big promotion?
I was thinking about that. We could each buy her a small, individual gift, but for a big occasion like this, I think it is much nicer to organize a group gift from all of her friends.
A group gift is a fantastic idea. We can all put our money together and buy her one really amazing, special present that she really wants.
Exactly. Do you have any ideas for what we could get her? It should be something she would not buy for herself.
I remember she told me a few months ago that she really wants a new, high-quality camera. She loves photography, but her old camera is broken. A new camera would be an incredible gift. A new camera would be the perfect group gift. She would be so surprised and happy.
I agree. It is a wonderful idea. Okay, so now we have a plan for the party and a plan for the gift, but we are forgetting the most important and difficult part of a surprise party.
What is that? I thought we had covered everything.
We have forgotten about the lure. The lure is the secret plan to get the guest of honor to the party without them knowing it is a party. This is the most critical step.
You are so right. How are we going to get Chloe to come to your apartment on a Saturday night without her becoming suspicious?
We need a very believable cover story. I have an idea. You could invite her to what she thinks is just a very small, quiet movie night at my place.
A quiet movie night. That is a brilliant cover story. She would never suspect a thing.
I think it would work. You can tell her that you and I are just having a low-key weekend and you want to watch the new superhero movie together, just the three of us.
That is a perfect and believable story. I will call her on Friday and invite her. I will tell her to come to your apartment at 7:30 on Saturday evening.
And I will tell all the other guests in our secret group chat to arrive at 7 o'clock, so everyone is already here and hiding when she arrives.
This is going to be so much fun. I cannot wait to see her face when she opens the door and we all shout, "Surprise!"
It is going to be a wonderful moment. Okay, we have a lot of things to do this week. We should divide the responsibilities between us to make sure everything gets done.
A delegation of tasks. Good idea. What do you want me to be in charge of?
I think since the party is at my apartment, I can be in charge of all the location-based tasks. I will be responsible for the food, the cake, and for decorating the apartment on Saturday.
Okay, that sounds fair. And what will be my jobs?
Your jobs are the communication and the gift. You will be in charge of the secret group chat, making sure everyone knows the plan and the address. You will also be in charge of collecting the money from everyone for the group gift.
And I will also be responsible for buying the camera. I can do that. I know a good electronics store downtown.
And your most important job is to be in charge of the lure. You need to make sure you bring Chloe to my apartment at exactly 7:30.
I will not be late. This is a perfect plan. It is so detailed. I think we have thought of everything.
I think so too. This is going to be the best surprise party ever. Chloe is going to be so happy and feel so loved. She really deserves this.